So welcome friends, welcome to my channel Technical Mighty, and today I unbox a very important product. So this is the first time on my channel that I use this type of unboxing. Actually, so as you can see that actually friends, today I unbox a USB drive. That means a USB pen drive. So make sure that you watch the video until end because uh, I also tell you a lot of important things regarding this kind of USB drive. That means how much amount of speed you get from this device. Okay friends, so no more talk, let's unpack this. So actually this is I purchased this from Amazon. So what is the company, how many GB? So let's cut this product and after that you easily understand. So I this is a surprise gift. Okay, so now what we have to do is just card the product, and I purchased this product almost 790 rupees. And so friends, most of people commented on my video that, oh, you gave a some kind of price on your channel and later the price some kind of increase or decrease. So actually friends, this is a simple economics. So there is no fixed price of any product in any global market. So that means uh, this is not a thumb rule that this pen drive is I purchased this pen drive at 790 rupees. So that does not mean you can purchase this product at 790 rupees. So if you get at 790 rupees, then you are very lucky. So if you not get, so that is not my fault because price are sometimes upper or down. So that's called a share market value. Okay, so I don't have any control on that this kind of product pricing. So because and another amazing thing is Amazon also don't have control. So it is all are the playing things of kinds of seller. Amazon seller totally control that. So Amazon company that does not control their pricing. So this is all the seller who has do this kind of things. Okay, so no more talk. Let's unpack this. So as you can see that, wow, the packaging is very good. So let's see what is inside the box. Wow, this is a 32 GB HP USB 3.1 pen drive. Okay, so another thing is this is a very good pen drive. Another thing is whenever I recently I have some kind of need because all of my 4 or 5 USB pen drive are completely full of storage. So that's why I need to purchase one. And I ordered this USB 3.1 model. So I also tell you that why it's called USB 3.1. So actually friends, this is 32 GB and this is a metallic body. So nowadays if you follow another company, so I did not take any company's name, and if you follow their pen drive or any external card reader or USB drive, so they are made of completely cheap of plastic. Cheap quality materials are using at the time of making this kind of device, but HP really make quality products. In case of pen drive, I don't know how HP laptops are because most people complaining that HP laptop did not give this kind of satisfaction compared as Lenovo or Dell. So that is a different fact, but in USB pen drive market, HP gives really a good value. So as you can see that the 32 GB is pen drive. So okay, so let's unpack this. And another thing is, oh, first I have to tell is what is USB 3.1. So whenever the USB introduced in the computer market, so the full form of USB is universal serial bus controller. Okay, so this is the first is USB 2.0, and there is lots of other variation of USB 2.0, some kind of macro USB, micro USB. Another USB comes under near market on some kind of 2009 or 10, that's called USB 3.0. So USB 3.0 is more advanced than USB 2.0 or micro USB, and USB 2.3.0 has some kind of lot of improvements on their speed, on their data efficiency, data loss. But in recently the all other computer manufacturer introduced USB 3.1. So USB 3.1 is a little upper step compared to USB 3.1, USB 3.0, because USB 3.1 some kind of give 2x speed compared to USB 3.0. Another thing is the most important thing is people purchase this device and use on their laptop, and they complain that they did not get that kind of speed what I tell in this video. So actually friends, this is not my fault and this is not the fault of pen drive. Actually there is just some kind of certain condition you have to meet if you want to get that kind of speed. So what is the system requirements? You have to put a USB 3.0 3 enable pen drive to a USB 3.0 port or 3.1 port. If your port is not supported USB 3.0 or 3.1, that does not, you cannot the get up speed, because the data receiver and sender, that means the USB device on the USB port, should have supported USB 3.0 or 3.1. After that you only get that kind of 100 Mbps speed. Okay, so now just unpack this and let's see what is inside. Okay, now what is the quality material. So and another thing is, I did not get, it's most probably it has some kind of 3 years warranty. I did not, so I already written in the video description. Make sure that, oh, as you can see that it has some kind of limited 2 years warranty. So as you can see that this is the limited 2 years warranty. Okay, you can, I already give the this product purchase link Amazon purchase Amazon, because in my case what happened is, so I purchased from Flipkart or purchased from Myntra and posted the Amazon purchase link. So most people complain that why you give Amazon purchase link on your video, why, and you say that you purchased from Flipkart and you give Amazon link. So actually friends, not only me, most of the other YouTubers of not only in India and as other part of the world also, and that's called affiliate marketing. So Amazon gives some kind of commission if you purchase this from link. This is because I am not a servant of anyone, because I have to make a living from that. So that's why, not me, so other YouTubers also. So that's why I have to use this kind of Amazon purchase link, because I also request you to make sure that you check this link, and if you purchase this product from Amazon, then it will be great help for me also. So this is the simple fact, because I don't want to some kind of bad advice to my subscriber or viewers, because YouTube subscriber viewers are very loyal to me and say they asked for opinion. So that's why I don't want to disheartening them. Okay, so no more talk. Let's let's open this. So there is a process that how you can open that, but I don't think this is a process, because you have to cut this from here. So this is the HP pen drive 32 GB. Okay. Okay, so so friends, as you can see, this is inserted in this box, and this is looks like this, and actually, okay, so, and let's see what is inside the box. Actually friends, I accepted some kind of a the little holder of this pen drive, because in the most of the people use some kind of holding. Okay, so there is some kind of elements you can hold this pen drive, but okay, unfortunately HP don't give me that. Okay, so this, and this is the stick. Okay, and this USB inside this. Okay, so now I just put this, and okay, so now let's see what is the build quality of this product. So, and the weight is very less, and as you can see that, wow, and it is written as 32 GB, and this is a USB 3.1, and oh my god, so actually this is 740 watt, and this is USB. And another thing is, if you watch any USB 3.0 devices or USB 3.1 devices, how you can identify that? If you clearly see that this USB is a light blue effect here, so that means whenever you see any blue, it's also applicable for laptop port also. If any port, suppose it is not a pen drive, it is a port, if you see this blue line, that means this is a USB 3.0 upper version. That means it's maybe USB 3.0 or USB 3.1. So it is black or something, and then it does not a USB 3.0. So this is the identification. So make sure that in future you did not fooled by some foolish people, and you clearly say that, hey uncle, this is not a USB 3.0 devices. So it's kind of a Hollywood dialogue. So I already know what a USB 3.0 devices looks like. This port is some kind of blue. Okay, that's called. Another thing is, and the build quality is extremely good, and this is a metallic finish. And one thing I did not like of this pen drive is this kind of thing. The steel should be make up the whole body. Okay, but unfortunately, HP did not. HP used some kind of hanging elements here, so that's why they use some kind of ropes or anything. So as you can see that totally the product quality is, and but I don't think that it is easily broken because they use some kind of quality polymer plastic, so it cannot break easily. Okay, believe me, it cannot break. This is not a simple plastic. The build quality is extremely okay, so extremely good. So okay, so this is, I suggest you to purchase this product. So okay, so let's shoot a video for my, so this is my YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so actually friends, uh okay, so this is the thumbnail shoot my video. Okay, so okay, so video shooting company. Okay friends, and as I say you previously, it's a 2 years warranty. Another thing is, if you have any query regarding this, then feel free to comment down below, and I try my best to resolve your issue. And this is the best product in this price range, and it is, and because of steel body, it does not scratches easily. So because most of the people did not like their products scratch, because they wanted to use their product for 5 years or 10 years, but they still they don't want to scratch it. Because another thing is, you have to accept the scratch on your product, because product are made for use, and after sometimes you have to throw it and purchase a new one. So you cannot use a product for lifetime, because you have to understand the core. Because I have some kind of uncle um, in my house area, so they actually he used his motorcycle almost for 20 years, and told me that he did not want to change this motorcycle because he loved this product. Actually friends, you the things are made only for you certain kind of times. After, you don't have to make a relationship with all those things, because you have to use it for, and after that you can sell it or break it something and purchase another one. So this is the basic things. Our human life is also, there is so much variable in our life. Our human is life also not fixed. Okay, so it, in my opinion, this pen drive is used minimum 4 to 5 years, and after that it's maybe unusable, and you have to throw this and purchase a new one. So that's called product recycling. You have to use electronics product in that way, so that you can purchase and afford a new one. So okay friends, this is my unboxing of HP 32 GB pen drive. If you have any query regarding this, feel free to comment down below. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe among with your friends. And I am a cheap video editor, and actually this kind of effects I use in this video, because I don't know some kind of special effects or after effects. Okay friends, goodbye.